Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to draw and color a tree. First we use black marker for outline. Draw two parallel lines. These will be your trunk. Like these. Go on to the top of your trunk. Draw cloud-like structures. Like these. Very good. Your drawing is complete. Time to add some color. First we use brown color for the trunk. Try to stay inside the lines. Don't cross the lines. Very good. Then we use parrot color for the tree. Color the leaves parrot. Color the entire big fluffy cloud shape green. Color it in really well so there are no white spots left. Like these. Very good. Don't cross the lines. Try to stay inside the lines. Color in one direction to make it neat. Like this. Very good. You did it very well. Good job, kids. Very good. And that's it. Your tree is complete. Allah Hafiz.